Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a foxtastic day. I wanted to share with you what I don't think you'll find with any other company. I mean, you join a company, and they may give you a few little tidbits to train and understand, but they don't give you the full thing. And if they do, a lot of times they want to upsell you. Oh, you need a better way to recruit people. Let me upsell you to this monthly membership within the company, in addition to what you're already paying. With Save Club, that's not the case. They provide so much material and training beyond any belief. Let me just show you the training that you can get with Save Club. All right. So it's already an awesome business because of the savings you get. It's already an awesome business because of the way that you make money. But they want to make sure that you're able to make money. And they provide you with different landing pages or websites, they call it, that you can go to. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's just the beginning. They're putting out basically a new website every week that you can send people to with a different angle. All right? A travel website, a foodie website. Right? This is one where it shows how you can make money with just paying 67 cents a day. Make an extra 500 to 5,000 weekly income. All right? Similar version. Sorry about that. My voice is going dry here. Okay? But 7 different websites. And then they train you. They want to see you successful. Because if you're successful, the company's successful. All right? So they have everything by you winning, they're winning. Right? All right. So they've got some training material in here. All right? Training on the compensation plan, how to use the My Deals section, all the many hundreds of thousands of deals that we have available now, and way more that we'll have coming. All right, you're gonna be shocked at what's getting ready to come to Save Club. All right, I've seen some of the in stuff that's coming, and it's just amazing. All right, so you've got that, but then they've got a whole training portal. All right, a portal. Okay, look at that. How to set your goals, how to find your capture pages. Just copy and post. Use our the pre-made videos. It shows you how to do all of this so that you're able to really win with this business. Then, how to post on Facebook. How to find and post on Facebook groups. How to post on Instagram, TikTok, X, LinkedIn, YouTube. How to understand how to save money. And on and on and on, guys. Look, no other company that I know of, and I could be wrong, provides so much training, resources for free. For free. You can do this business without having a capture page yourself, without having to have an autoresponder. You can do this business without having to have your own website, because it's all provided to you for free. So, this is a no-brainer, guys. It really is. I invite you to go ahead and take a look at Save Club from the inside. Click on the link below. You'll see the link that I have to take the free tour. And you'll be able to see on the inside how you can really make money with this business. All right? Because of the resources and the training that's provided. And before I go, besides all that the company provides, our team provides so much training. In fact, I've been involved in this a long time, in making money online. But the team I'm a part of in Save Club has moved my business to a whole nother level, because we're being trained in our team by 6, 7, and 8-figure earners. They're sharing all their wisdom at no additional cost. other than being a member of Safe Club. So go ahead, join now. If you really want a shot at being successful at online, you want to be a part of Safe Club and a part of our team. So the first step is to go ahead and join for free. Get in the Powerline, and then when you're ready, go ahead and become a member, and let's get you started making money online. So you have a foxtastic day, my friends. I appreciate you being here. If you got something out of the video, I appreciate if you would click on the like button. That helps me a lot. Also, comment. I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent. And if this is your first time here, you've been missing out on a lot of good goodies. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button below. That way you won't miss out on anything that I put out. In fact, click on the bell. That way you'll get notified of the good goodies I put out to help you to make money online. So I'll see you in the next video, and you have a foxtastic day.